Hi everyone, just wanted to update you on some breaking news coming out of the Kleiman versus Wright case. If you don't know what this lawsuit is, basically the idea is that the pair, David Kleiman and Craig Wright, were the team behind the moniker Satoshi Nakamoto. David Kleiman, however, has passed away. The Kleiman estate is suing Craig Wright for what they believe is their share of David's inheritance. This has been an ongoing saga for many months now. On March 14th, 2019, Dr. Wright was ordered to produce a list of his Bitcoin holdings as of December 31st, 2013. Craig Wright claimed to own the addresses for the first 70 Bitcoins mined. When these addresses were unsealed by the court, there was a lot of controversy about this. And one of the addresses was actually signed last month by the real owner, proving that Craig did not, in fact, own this address. And the legitimate owner of this address actually called Craig a liar and a fraud in the signed message. Craig pushed back and said that this address was a forgery. His team also pushed back on having to reveal information about his public addresses, saying that he can't reveal any information about any Bitcoin mined after the first 70 blocks because they're held in a blind trust. According to a court document provided by Craig and his team about this blind trust, all coins mined after block 70 would be assigned to different public addresses. Craig said he did not keep a list of any of the public addresses associated with the Bitcoins mined after block 70, and that he ceased mining Bitcoin at the end of 2010. Here's a quote from the defense filing. This may be the longest sentence ever written. The private key needed to access the encrypted file with the data necessary to retrieve information about Bitcoin Dr. Wright mined after block 70 has been split into multiple key shares, in lay terms, multiple parts, through a version of Shamir's secret sharing algorithm, an algorithm created by Adia Shamir to divide a secret such as a private encryption key into multiple parts. Did you get all that? Great. Basically, he can't access any information about the Bitcoin addresses because someone else has part of the key needed to unlock that data. But he hasn't actually explained why he can't get the necessary keys needed to unlock this blind trust from the trusted third parties. So the breaking news that has just occurred in the case is that yesterday, the motion to compel Craig to provide these addresses was granted in a very strongly worded order. The order says, the motion to compel is granted. On or before June 17th, 2019, Dr. Wright shall produce a complete list of all Bitcoin he mined prior to December 31st, 2013. At this point, the record before the court fails to demonstrate that Dr. Wright cannot, through reasonable diligence, comply with the court's March 14th order. The court also will determine whether, independently, sanctions short of contempt should be imposed for Dr. Wright's failure to comply with the court's March 14th, 2019 order. That seems pretty clear. The court is not happy about the games that Craig seems to be playing. A lot of people in crypto Twitter are predicting that sanctions are indeed coming for Craig Wright. So what's going to happen with this case? I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to be watching very closely and keeping you all updated. Keep your popcorn ready.